All right, so we are going to run over here and get some gas, and then after we get some gas, if the slide will ever turn green, after we get some gas, we are going to go take the motorcycle's driving test for the endorsement. So I have not done that. What are you do? Are you? Oh, now you give a turn signal. There you go. It's amazing how that works. From my understandings, they just clip on a little thing to you, and a little speaker, and pretty much just tell you what to do, and you do it. And if you do good, then they reward you. If you do bad, then they don't reward you. That's what I understand. And away we go. I want to go down that street right there, if I can get across at some point, possibly. There we go. No cars. Let's go. I think this is the first video that I've made that I actually go out with a plan of how to make the video. Sort of speaking. I'm still just talking out of my ass. I have nothing scripted, so. But I at least have a plan of I'm doing the motorcycle test in this video. And that's what this video is going to be. So, we'll see how that goes. We'll see how this goes. Now, I don't know what the requirements are as far as like gear and stuff. I'm pretty sure you have to have I think you have to have gloves and something. I think you have to have some kind of a helmet and something covering your eyes. So you can have like a half helmet and like sunglasses, I think. Don't quote me on that, but I think. So I know there's a couple of requirements, so don't show up here and, you know, your squid uniform trying to take a test, because it ain't gonna happen. So let's go in and we'll take the test. I'm gonna strap this right up here where you can hear it by your ear. You're not going to talk to it at all, you're just going to listen. So what we're going to do is we're going to drive down this road. We're going to go back around the bridge over past Quick Trip. Okay. Then I'll tell you where to turn left. We'll turn in the neighborhood and come around back. Okay. If you hit a light and I don't worry about slowing down. I'll catch up with you. It's an old trooper car. Okay. So don't worry. Is this turned all the way up? Yep. Yeah, okay. You hear me? This is a pretty loud bike. Yeah. So. If you don't quite understand, if you hear a command and you look behind me and you see my blinker on, that means we're turning at the next street. Okay. If you still can't hear me, just tap on your shoulder. Basically, it's going to make sure you can drive a bike. Yeah. It's not like a regular road test. Okay, good. Yep. Kind of check your turn signals. Yep. get through Harley test, we get one of these. So.
Left turn.
Yep, right turn signal.
Right turn.
Okay, you brake.
Alright.
And then your other, the only thing that's going to fail you on a motorcycle test basically is if you lay your bike down and don't, when we go through the stop signs, don't walk your bike.
Okay.
If you walk your bike, it's running. If it's, you got to come to a complete stop. That's the only thing that fails me.
Okay.
Okay.
Test. Got the street out here, turn right.
Glad that we are moving, because I was sweating and that wind blowed across me. Feels really good. Alright, so 40 mile an hour. We're not going to speed. I don't know if y'all heard him or not, but he said the only two things they're really testing for is to make sure that you don't lay the bike down, because if you lay the bike down, apparently that's an automatic fail. And that you actually come to a complete stop when you stop the bike. You can't walk the bike. He said if you go through a light, and I get it, don't slow down. I'll catch you, because it's an old cop car. Yeah, I cannot hear what he's saying at all. Turn back into the parking lot.
Go ahead and park your bike and I'll be right with you.
All right. Let's see how terrible I did. Guess what? Aside from the fact that I'm speeding, I am now legal to drive a motorcycle anyways. This dude's reverse lights are on, and he's going Ford. I really hope I'm videoing. Yeah, all right. So, I'm now legal to drive a motorcycle. It's awesome. I got pulled over once in Missouri while on the motorcycle, and well, obviously you know how loud mine is, so and it's so low geared that doing 80 miles an hour in 5th gear, I'm turning, you know, 6,000 RPMs, and it is definitely at 6,000 RPMs. This thing is screaming, and I didn't see the I didn't see the cop, but the cop heard me. He said he heard me way before he saw me, and I was doing 80 in a 65. I did get a pretty decent sized ticket out of that one. But he didn't, I mean, he said something about me having or not having a motorcycle license, but he said that you know, just need to get it taken care of. That's my only interactions with a cop with a motorcycle license. And it's one of my biggest, you know, obviously it's a big concern, is not having a license for the vehicle you're driving. And so now I have a license for the vehicle I'm driving, so I'm not really concerned with the cops anymore. I might get a speeding ticket, but at least I can't get, you know, get in trouble for driving without a driver's license. Don't really have much else to talk about, so I'm just gonna head on home. This vlog is getting pretty long anyways. I've got, I don't know how much footage to edit down. I got hours to edit down. And so with that, I guess until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Light up the sky, 'cause we could light up.